In this problem, we were given a line segment joining the 2 points, and we had to find out a point which divides this line segment internally and externally in the given ratio. Let us see the solution for this. Let the 2 points are taken as A and B. A is -2, 3, 5 and B is 1, -4, 6. Now in the first case, let us assume a point P with the coordinates x, y and z divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3 internally. So the section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2. For the y coordinate, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. For the z coordinate, m1z2 plus m2z1 by m1 plus m2. So here m1 is to m2 is 2:3. That means m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. Now let us write the point P is equal to m1 into x2, that is 2 into 1 plus 3 into -2 by 2 plus 3, and now m1 into y2, that is 2 into -4 plus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 3 and 2 into 6 plus 3 into 5 by 2 plus 3. As we have assumed this P as x, y, z, let us equate this now. We get 2 minus 6 is -4 by 5. And here we get -8 plus 9, that is 1 by 5. And this one 12 plus 15, which is 27 by 5. Here the 3 is not clear. Now when the two order pairs are equal, let us equate the points now. So P is, therefore we can say here P -4 by 5, 1 by 5, 27 by 5 divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3 internally. Now similarly, we have to find out that AB is divided in the ratio 2:3 externally. So the section formula for external division is m1x2 minus m2x1 by m1 minus m2, m1y2 minus m2y1 by m1 minus m2, and m1z2 minus m2z1 by m1 minus m2. The difference between the two formulae is only the symbol. Now let us write the point which divides externally as Q. Now this is m1x2, that is 2 into 1 minus 3 into -2 by 2 minus 3, and the y coordinate is 2 into -4 minus 3 into 3 by 2 minus 3, and the z coordinate will be 2 into 6 minus 3 into 5 by 2 minus 3. On simplifying, we get this is 2 plus 6 by -1. This is -8 minus 9 by -1, and this is 12 minus 15 by -1. Now if we can write this as 8 by minus 1 will be minus 8. This is minus 17 by minus 1 will be 17. And this is minus 3 by minus 1 is 3. So therefore, another point Q with the coordinates minus 8, 17, 3 divides the line segment AB externally in the ratio 2:3. In this problem, we were given the three collinear points and we have to find out that in which ratio the Q divides the line segment PR. It is given that the 3 points P 3, 2, minus 4, Q 5, 4, minus 6 and R 9, 8, minus 10 are collinear. And now we need to find out in which ratio this Q divides the line segment joining PR. Now let us assume Q divides the line segment PR in the ratio K:1. Now if you find out the value of K, then we can find out the ratio very easily. So the section formula is M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2, M1z2 plus M2z1 by M1 plus M2. Let us use this formula to find out the coordinates of Q. So the ratio is K:1, therefore K into here M1x2, that is 9 plus 1 into 3, I am considering P and R here, by K plus 1, and here K into 8 plus 1 into 2 by K plus 1, K into minus 10 plus 1 into minus 4 by K plus 1. We have to be very careful while substituting these values. Now, on simplifying, we get here 9K plus 3 by K plus 1, and this is 8K plus 2 by K plus 1, and minus 10K minus 4 by K plus 1. But we know the point Q here, which is 5, 4, minus 6. That means these two order pairs are same, so you can equate any one of the coordinates. Now, 9K plus 3 by K plus 1 is equal to 5. You can even equate the Y coordinates or Z coordinates also. On simplifying this, we get 9K plus 3 is equal to 5K plus 5. We get here 9K minus 5K is equal to 5 minus 3. Here we get 4K is equal to 2. That implies K is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, the ratio in which Q divides PR is 1 by 2 is to 1. That implies 1 is to 2. In this problem, YZ plane is dividing a line segment joining the two given points, and we need to find out in which ratio that plane is dividing the line segment. Let us see the solution for this now. Let us assume the 2 points as A and B. A is minus 2, 4, 7 and B is 3, minus 5, 8. Let YZ plane divides this line segment AB at C, and YZ plane divides that AB in the ratio k is to 1. That means C dividing AB in the ratio k is to 1. So the section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2, and m1z2 plus m2z1 by m1 plus m2. Using that, let us find out the point C now. So the ratio is k is to 1. Now m1x2, that is k into 3 plus 1 into minus 2 by k plus 1, and now the y coordinate is k into minus 5 plus 1 into 4 by k plus 1, and similarly the z1 is k into 8 plus 1 into 7 by k plus 1. On simplification, we get 3k minus 2 by k plus 1, and the y coordinate is minus 5k plus 4 by k plus 1, and the z coordinate is 8k plus 7 by k plus 1. Now as the segment is divided by YZ plane, therefore the x coordinate of C is 0. Now let us equate this x coordinate with 0. 3k minus 2 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. That will give us 3k minus 2 is equal to 0, and on further simplification 3k is equal to 2 and k is equal to 2 by 3. Now therefore the ratio in which the segment joining the 2 points A, B is divided by YZ plane is, which is k is to 1, therefore it is 2 by 3 is to 1, that implies 2 is to 3. We need to show these 3 points as collinear using the section formula. Let us show that now. Now the given 3 points are A 2 minus 3 4, and B minus 1 2 1, and C 0 1 by 3 2. Now we need to show these 3 points are collinear. Let P be a point which divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. Now if the point P and if you coincide with C, that means the coordinates of C and coordinates of point P are same, then the 3 points are collinear. So the section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2, and m1z2 plus m2z1 by m1 plus m2. So the ratio is k is to 1 and the 2 points are A and B. Now let us write the point P. K into minus 1 plus 1 into 2 by k plus 1. Now k into 2 plus 1 into minus 3 by k plus 1. K into 1 plus 1 into 4 by k plus 1. Now if we simplify this, minus k plus 2 by k plus 1, 2k minus 3 by k plus 1 and k plus 4 by k plus 1. These are the coordinates of point P. Now if we know the value of k, then we will know the coordinates of point P. Now the point C is collinear with A and B only if P coincides with C. Now let us equate both. Minus k plus 2 by k plus 1, 2k minus 3 by k plus 1, k plus 4 by k plus 1, this is point P, should be C, that is 0, 1 by 3 and 2. Now minus k plus 2 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then here we get minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. This will give us k is equal to 2. Now similarly 2k minus 3 by k plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. And if we cross multiplication, then we get 6k minus 9 is equal to k plus 1, and on further simplification we get 5k is equal to 10, k is equal to 2. In both cases we got the same k value, and now k plus 4 by k plus 1 is equal to 2. On cross multiplication we get k plus 4 is equal to 2k plus 2. And if we simplify this, we get k is equal to 2. So we observe that k is unique here. So therefore A, B, C are collinear. In this question, we were given the 2 points P and Q, and we have to find out the coordinates of the points which are trisecting. Trisecting means dividing the line segment into 3 equal parts. Let us see the solution for this. It is given that a line segment with P 4, 2, minus 6 and Q 10, minus 16, 6. Now we have to find out the 2 points which are dividing the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. Now let A and B are points of trisection of AB. That implies P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 and Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. You can that observe from the figure. Let us use the section formula to find out the points P and Q. So the section formula is given here. Using the section formula and the ratios, let us find out the values of P and Q. It's not values exactly, but coordinates of P and Q. Now let us find out the P first, and the ratio is 1:2. Now 1 into 10 plus 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2, and 1 into minus 16 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2, and 1 into 6 plus 2 into minus 6 by 1 plus 2. If we simplify this, we get 10 plus 8, 18 by 3, that is 6. And minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12 by 3 is minus 4. and 6 minus 12 is minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. So the P coordinates are 6, minus 4 and minus 2. Let us find out the point Q. Similarly, let us substitute now, but this time the ratio is 2:1. Now 2 into 10 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1, 2 into minus 16 plus 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1, 2 into 6 plus 1 into minus 6 by 2 plus 1. If we simplify this is 24 by 3, which is 8. This is minus 30 by 3 is minus 10, and this is 6 by 3 is 2. So therefore, the points of trisection are four comma, it's not 4. The first one is 6 comma minus 4 comma minus 2 and 8 comma minus 10 comma 2.